Why do 80% of financial goals fail by February? It's not about luck, it's about strategy. Setting financial goals is your ticket to success in 2024. Without a map, you'll wander aimlessly, but a clear plan, that's your GPS to financial freedom. Many struggle because their goals are vague or lack motivation. Saying, "I want to be richer" is too broad. Instead, make it specific. I want to save $1,000 by the end of the quarter. That's smart. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Think about what truly resonates with you. Align your goals with your values. That's how you stay motivated. Here's my story. I was drowning in debt with no plan. Once I set a SMART goal, paying off a set amount monthly, cutting expenses and boosting income, I saw real progress. And the freedom I felt, unmatched. So what's your plan for 2024? Share it in the comments. For more tips, check out my other videos. Let's crush those goals together.